Some stories are so grand they seem to belong to myth. They are tales of immense journeys, of lonely travellers venturing into the great unknown, carrying the hopes and dreams of all humanity. The story of Voyager 1 is one such tale, launched long ago in a time many of us can still remember. It was a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. It carries a golden record, a message of who we are, a greeting to any civilization that might one day find it. For decades, Voyager 1 has been our silent emissary, our farthest-flung scout. It has sailed past giants like Jupiter and Saturn, sending back images that reshaped our understanding. It pushed past the boundaries of our solar system, crossing a threshold no other object from Earth had ever breached. It journeyed into the vast, empty expanse between the stars, a realm we call interstellar space. But the universe, it seems, is full of surprises. Even now, so far from home, Voyager 1 has found something. Something unexpected. Something that our best and brightest minds are struggling to explain. The probe's plasma wave system has detected a new and persistent signal. A hum. Think of the difference between the chaotic roar of a waterfall and the pure, focused tone of a tuning fork. The universe is full of waterfalls, but finding a tuning fork ringing by itself in the middle of the cosmic ocean is something else entirely. The story of how this information reached us is a marvel in itself. By the time it reaches Earth, the signal is billions of times fainter than the power of a watch battery. A message that took more than 22 hours, travelling at the speed of light, to reach us. So we are left with this profound mystery. A steady, coherent hum emanating from the depths of interstellar space. Maybe there's a form of interaction between dark matter and normal matter that generates these frequencies. And then there is the other possibility. A stable, long-lasting, narrow-band signal is precisely what we have theorized another technological civilization might use as a beacon. Is it possible that Voyager 1 has stumbled upon such a beacon, a signpost left by someone else? This discovery invites us to look up at the night sky with a renewed sense of wonder. What other music is playing in the dark, waiting for us to finally learn how to listen? The journey is not over. In many ways, it has just begun. I invite you to follow along, to support this great adventure of discovery. Because the answers are out there, waiting among the stars. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.